Welcome back. Tonight, Daniel visits Sunshine Restaurant for dinner and experiences many real-life situations like ordering food, asking for the washroom, changing his order politely, enjoying dessert, and paying the bill. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and practice speaking with the characters. If you enjoy learning English through stories, please like, subscribe, and keep practicing every day. Your English is getting better step by step.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Sunshine Restaurant.
Good evening.
How many people?
Just one person.
Of course. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table near the window.
Oh, nice. I like this place already.
Here is the menu.
There are so many dishes here.
A waiter will come shortly.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Alex, and I'll be serving you tonight.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Would you like something to drink first?
Yes. Could I have a glass of cold water, please?
Certainly.
And maybe, what do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken with butter rice is very popular.
That sounds good.
We also have tomato soup, pasta, burgers, and fresh juice.
I think I'll start with tomato soup.
Good choice.
And for the main course, I'll take the grilled chicken with butter rice.
Would you like spicy or mild flavor?
Mild, please.
Anything else?
Not for now.
Perfect. Your order will arrive in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Is this your first visit here?
Yes, it is.
I hope you enjoy your dinner.
The restaurant looks beautiful.
Thank you, sir. We recently renovated the place.
The music is relaxing too.
I'm glad you like it.
Excuse me, could you please tell me where the washroom is?
Certainly, sir. It's near the stairs on the left side.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me again, is it this door?
No, sir. That's the kitchen entrance.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem at all. The washroom is the next door beside it.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Wow, this place is very clean. I feel much fresher now.
Welcome back, sir. Your soup will arrive shortly.
Perfect. I'm feeling very hungry now.
That's good. Our chef cooks best for hungry customers.
I hope so.
I'm sure you'll enjoy your meal. Here is your tomato soup.
Thank you.
Please be careful. The bowl is hot.
It smells delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir?
could I get some extra pepper?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here is your grilled chicken with butter rice.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Excuse me,
Is everything all right, sir?
Actually, the chicken is a little too spicy for me.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that.
I requested mild flavour.
I apologize for the mistake.
Could it be changed, please?
Certainly. I'll replace it immediately.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
The new dish will take around 10 minutes.
That's okay.
Would you like complimentary bread while waiting?
Yes, please.
I'll bring it right away. Here is the bread basket.
Thank you.
Do you visit restaurants often?
Not really. I usually cook at home.
That's healthy.
Yes, but sometimes it's nice to relax outside.
I completely agree.
Do you work here every day?
Almost every day except Monday.
It must be tiring.
Sometimes, but I enjoy meeting different people.
That's nice.
Here is your new plate, sir. This one is mild flavor.
Great. Oh yes, this is much better.
I'm happy to hear that.
The chicken is very tender.
Our chef will be pleased to hear that.
Please thank the chef for me.
Certainly, sir. Would you like dessert?
What desserts do you have?
Chocolate cake, vanilla ice cream, and caramel pudding.
I'll take chocolate cake.
Would you like tea or coffee with it?
Coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot coffee.
Excellent choice. Here is your chocolate cake and coffee.
Wow, the cake looks amazing.
It's one of our best desserts.
The smell of coffee is wonderful too.
Fresh coffee makes everyone happy.
That's true. This cake is delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here is your bill.
Let me see.
Take your time.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, absolutely.
Great.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful.
Thank you.
Thank you for visiting us tonight. Did you enjoy your dinner, sir?
Yes, very much.
We hope to see you again.
Definitely. The service was excellent.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye.